search Panzoid on your PC's browser. Click on the first link and I will also provide the link in the description. You can directly go to the website by clicking on that link. Now click on the clip maker. Now click on the new project. Now you can choose any intro for your gaming and tech channel. From here, I am going with this one. Click on the I button to change perspective. Now you have to click on this icon to put your name. Then scroll down and click on text and then put your name on both the text boxes. Press enter after putting your name in each text box. You can change the color from here. You can put your own favorite audio in the video from here. After all editing have been done, we have to render the video, so just click on Start Video Render. After it has rendered, click on Download Video. After the video has been downloaded, we have to convert it in .mp4 form, so just search online convert on your browser. I will also provide the link in the description. Then click on the first link. Then move your cursor to Video Converter tab and click on Go. Then click on Convert to MP4. After that, scroll down and click on MKV to MP4. Then click on Choose Files to choose your file which you want to convert. It will take some time to upload depending on your internet connection. After it has been uploaded, click on Start Conversion. After conversion, simply click on Download to download your video.